Imagine a battery that could last for thousands of years. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, thanks to some brilliant scientists from the UK Energy Authority and the University of Bristol. This futuristic concept is now a reality. They've developed the world's first diamond battery, and then it's nothing short of revolutionary. So, how does this diamond battery work? Let's break it down in simple terms. The key ingredient here is carbon-14. Carbon-14 is a special type of carbon that is radioactive. This means it slowly changes into another element over time, releasing energy as it does so. Now, before you start worrying about radiation, let me assure you that it's all safely contained within a diamond structure. Diamonds are incredibly tough and can contain radiation effectively. So how do they get the carbon in there? The scientists use a special machine called a plasma deposition rig. This machine creates a superhot ionized gas, plasma, that contains carbon-14. The plasma is used to grow a diamond layer by layer. As the carbon-14 atoms are deposited, they form a diamond structure around the radioactive material. Here's the cool part. Carbon-14 undergoes radioactive decay, which means it releases energy over time. This energy is then converted into electricity by the diamond. Because carbon-14 has a half-life of about 5,730 years, the battery can keep generating power for an incredibly long time. In fact, it could potentially last for thousands of years without needing to be replaced. Let's put this into perspective with a simple example. Think about your typical AA battery. It powers your TV remote for a few months before you need to replace it. Now imagine if that battery could keep your remote working for centuries. That's the kind of longevity we're talking about with diamond batteries. But why is this such a big deal? Well, for starters, it means we could have a reliable power source for devices that are difficult to access or maintain. Take medical implants, for example. Pacemakers and other life-saving devices could benefit immensely from a battery that doesn't need to be replaced every few years. This would not only improve the quality of life for patients, but also reduce the need for risky surgical procedures. Another exciting application is in space exploration. Space missions often require equipment that can operate for long periods without maintenance. Diamond batteries could provide a sustainable power source for spacecraft, rovers, and satellites, enabling them to explore the far reaches of our solar system and beyond. And let's not forget about extreme environments here on Earth. Think about remote sensors in the Arctic or deep-sea exploration equipment. These devices need a power source that can withstand harsh conditions and keep working for years on end. Diamond batteries could be the perfect solution. In addition to their longevity, diamond batteries are also environmentally friendly. Traditional batteries often contain harmful chemicals and metals that can be difficult to dispose of safely. Diamond batteries, on the other hand, use carbon-14, which is a byproduct of nuclear reactors. By repurposing this waste material, we're not only creating a sustainable power source, but also helping to reduce nuclear waste. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how we power our world. Of course, there are still some challenges to overcome. I know what you're thinking. You want to buy one, so you can put it in your phone and never have to charge your phone again. Well, there's still a bit of time before you can do that. Making these batteries is still pretty expensive, and they don't produce a ton of power. At the moment, capability-wise, think powering tiny sensors, not electric cars. But scientists are working hard to make them more efficient and affordable. See you in the next one. Check out our video on why the Earth now has 2 moons.